Hi, welcome. I am Syed Abdul Khadir, English panel member. Today, let us see the English assignment with key for Class 6 Olympiad. The lesson is fair play. Look at the instructions. Replace the underlined part of each sentence with a suitable phrase group of words from the list below. In this list, those phrases are there. Look after, swallow, make it up, keep mum, go into, ease one's conscience, as ill luck would have it, a tight spot, take chances, my heart sank. Okay, these are the phrases. Phrases, group of words. Look after, it's a group, right? That's a phrase. Swallow, right? Make it up, phrase. Now let us see the questions. The best way to avoid an unnecessary argument is to remain silent. So meaning remain silent, which word or phrase comes here? Keep mum. Mum, be quiet, right? Keep mum. And after finding, right, replace this with this and try to find the meaning. It should be same. The best way to avoid an unnecessary argument is to keep mum, right? Second one. Unfortunately, the train I was trying to catch was cancelled. Now, which would be there anyhow, key is there. As ill luck would have it. Ill luck, bad luck. As ill luck would have it, the train I was trying to catch was cancelled. Because of the bad luck, right? My train was cancelled. Ill luck is bad luck. Bad luck, something which is not in favor of us. Okay. He has been told not to take risks while driving a car through a crowded street. So the suitable one is take chances. Place this phrase here. He has been told not to take chances while driving a car through a crowded street. Right? Take risks, take chances. Similar. The patient needs to be properly taken care of. So the suitable phrase there is looked after. The patient needs to be properly looked after. Both are same. Taking care and looking after, both are same. They mean the same. Why don't the two of you end your quarrel by shaking hands? Quarrel, fight, right? Make it up will replace this. Why don't the two of you make it up by shaking hands? Make it up means ending the dispute or a quarrel or a fight. Okay. I was in a different situation till my friends came to my rescue. Came to my rescue to save, right? I was in a tight spot is equivalent to difficult situation. Till my friends came to my rescue. Till my friends came to save me, right? I was in a difficult situation or I was in a tight spot. Both are same. When I saw a pile of dirty dishes, pile, right? Piled up in total gathered. When I saw a pile of lot of dirty dishes, I felt very disappointed. Similar, right? Meaning phrase is, my heart sank. When I saw a pile of dirty dishes, my heart sank, which is same like, right? I felt very disappointed. I will examine the matter carefully before commenting on it. The similar phrase which gives the same meaning like examine is go into. I will go into the matter. I'll check, examine, same. I will go into the matter carefully before commenting on it. Commenting, passing comments, right? Hope you understood this topic, right? Listen carefully, right? Replay again, go through the questions, answers, and again, okay? Try to understand, okay? Write and practice in your notebook, okay? God bless you. Thank you.